I need to show you something that's going to make you uncomfortable. Last month, I talked to a packaging manufacturer spending $400,000 per year on sales and marketing. Qualified opportunities generated for that amount? 7. Cost per opportunity, $57,000. When I showed the VP of sales this math, he said, well, we need to spend more money on marketing then. No, you're trying to solve a math problem with marketing, and it'll never work. Stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly what to do instead. Here's what most packaging manufacturers are doing right now. They're spending $50,000 on a content marketer to write blogs and LinkedIn posts. They're spending $40,000 on Google ads. They're spending $30,000 on a new website. They're paying $125,000 for a sales rep, or a couple of them. And they're dropping about $150,000 on directories and trade shows like Zoom Info, ThomasNet, even Keychain. It's about $400,000. And here's the problem. The equation is broken before they spend a dollar. Let me show you what I mean. If you're invisible to AI, and 90% of buyers are now using AI to search suppliers, it doesn't matter how good your content is. If they're going to ChatGPT or Perplexity and you aren't there, nobody will see your great content. If your sales rep is spending 95% of their time prospecting and only 5% actually selling, you're not paying for a salesman. You're paying for a researcher. If your Google ads don't show up in AI answers, and they don't, you're spending $40,000 on ads that reach 10% of the market. You cannot multiply your way out of zero. The equation is broken, and throwing more money at it just makes it worse. So what do you do instead? Here's what actually works. Step 1, fix your visibility. Not your website, not your content, not your ads, your visibility. Here's what I mean. When a buyer asks ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, what's the best flexible packaging manufacturer for frozen food applications, or whatever it is in your world, does AI recommend you? For 95% of packaging manufacturers, the answer is no. Your AI trust score, which is how much AI trusts you enough to recommend you, is probably around 40-50%. That's a failing grade. So here's what you do. You need to build what I call the Big Five. These are the 5 things AI needs to see before it will recommend you and your company. 1 is cost transparency. AI needs to see pricing signals, not your exact prices, but enough information that AI knows you're in the right range for what the buyer needs. 2, problem-solving content. AI needs to see that you actually understand the buyer-specific problems and have solutions, not generic marketing speak like we sell specialized packaging. Actual problem-solving depth. Number 3 is comparison data. AI needs to see how you compare to alternatives. If you don't provide this, AI will make assumptions, and they're usually wrong. Number 4, third-party validation, case studies, reviews, testimonials from sources it trusts. Not just what you say about yourself, but from third party. And 5, best-in-class proof. AI needs to see evidence that you're actually good at what you do. Certification, awards, technical specs, performance data, even videos and pictures. Most manufacturers have 0 of these 5. That's why AI doesn't recommend them at all. That's why they're invisible. So step 1 is to build the Big Five. This is what we call the visibility blueprint. Costs $1,500. Here we want to know what you do better than anybody else. 1 or 2 things. We want details, want solutions you provide, and what you do for what industry, what title, what customer, who your competition is. You will come out of this blueprint with a business and competitive analysis that you can then implement. Step 2, you need somewhere for them to go. This is what I call your AI marketplace. And no, it's not your website. Your website is built for humans who already know they want to speak with you. Your AI marketplace is built for buyers who are still researching. Here's what it does. It qualifies prospects automatically. Buyers land on your AI marketplace. They see your capabilities, what you actually do. Your comparisons, how you stack up against alternatives. Your pricing signals, are we in the right ballpark? Your case studies, proof that you can deliver what they're looking for. Your technical specs, can you handle the requirements? The AI marketplace answers 90% of these questions and concerns without them having to call you. And here's the magic. While they're exploring, your AI sales agent is watching. It sees what pages they visit, what questions they ask, what comparisons they're making, how qualified are they, and when they're ready, it engages. This is the difference between interruption and invitation. The old way, your sales rep cold calls 100 people hoping 2 are interested. The new way, 15 to 20 qualified buyers find you, research you, and raise their hand when they're ready. Your sales rep goes from spending 95% of their time prospecting to spending 95% of their time actually selling to people who want to talk. That's what happens when the equation is fixed. Okay, so now you're visible. Buyers are finding you. They're on your AI marketplace researching. Step 3 is your AI sales agent closes the loop. Here's what most manufacturers get wrong. They think AI is about replacing salespeople. It's not. It's about replacing the 95% of work your salesperson does that isn't considered selling. Your AI sales agent nurtures prospects 24/7. A buyer visits at 11 p.m. on Saturday. Your sales agent is there answering questions. Provides instant quotes and comparisons. A buyer wants to know how you compare to 3 competitors. Your AI sales agent shows them with your positioning baked in. Also, it qualifies based upon your ideal client profile. If a buyer doesn't meet your minimum order quantity, your AI sales agent politely redirects them instead of wasting your rep's time. Schedules demos, even revenue-ready prospects. When a buyer is qualified and ready to talk, an AI sales agent puts them directly on your rep's calendar. Here's what happens next. Your sales rep wakes up to 3 to 4 meetings on their calendar. Every single one is qualified. Every single one is ready to buy. Every single one already knows your pricing, your capabilities, and why you're the right fit. Your rep's job is to close, not prospect, not educate, not qualify, to close. That's what a $125,000 sales rep should be doing. And that's what happens when the equation is fixed. Let me show you the math on this. The old equation, 400 grand spent, 7 qualified opportunities, 57 grand per opportunity. New equation, $1,500 invested, 15 to 20 qualified prospects per month, 180 to 240 per year, and the cost per opportunity about 8 to 10 bucks. That's not a typo. 8 to 10 bucks per qualified opportunity. And your sales rep is actually selling instead of cold calling. And your content marketer's work is actually being seen. And your marketing spend is actually generating return on investment. Because the equation, once again, the equation is fixed. So here's where you are right now. You have 2 options. Option 1, keep doing what you're doing. Keep spending 400 grand on a broken equation. Keep getting single-digit sales opportunities. Keep watching your sales reps spend 95% of their time not selling. Keep being invisible to 90% of buyers using AI. Keep following your competitors off the cliff. Option 2, fix the equation. Invest $1,500 into a visibility blueprint. Build the big 5 so AI recommends you. Create your AI marketplace so buyers can research you properly. Deploy your AI sales agent so your rep actually sells. And generate 15 to 20 qualified opportunities or more per month. Now, let me be clear about something. This is not theory. This is not hypothetical. The average result of 10 to 15 times more qualified opportunities at 1/1000th of the cost. And here's what I cannot do. I can't make you choose option 2. I can show you the math. I can show you the proof. I can show you exactly how to do it, but I can't make you do it. The market doesn't wait for the slow. Your competitors are fixing their equations right now. while you are thinking about it, while you're running it by your team, or you're waiting for next quarter. They're becoming AI discoverable. They're generating 15 to 20 qualified opportunities per month. They're winning the deals you'll never know existed. So here's my question. How much longer are you going to fund a broken equation? Look, I get it. This is different from what everybody else is doing, and that's scary. But here's what I do know. In 18 months, one or two things will be true. You spent another 400 to 800 grand on a broken equation, generated 15 to 20 qualified opportunities, and closed 3 to 4 deals. Option B, you spend $1,500, generate 270 to 300 qualified opportunities, and closed 54 to 72 deals. And your CEO just asked you, how do we scale this? The math doesn't care about your feelings. The equation is either broken or it's not. So here's what to do next. Book a visibility call with me. It's 30 minutes. It's free. We'll show you your AI trust signal score, where you're invisible to buyers and decision makers on AI, what the Big Five actually looks like for your particular business, exactly what it costs to fix your visibility, and what 15 to 20 qualified opportunities per month would mean to your revenue. The cost, $0. Time, 30 minutes. Knowing whether you're spending 400 grand on something that cannot work, the link is in the description. Or just comment blueprint below and I'll send it to you. Stop funding a broken equation. Fix it, then scale it. I'll see you on the call. Look, if you like this video, please share it, please like it, please send it to anybody you believe it will help. This is a game-changing pivot, and it'll change your business forever. Thanks.